What's up guys, it's Bradley here at BDR Fishing. Today, you know what we're doing, already filmed another video, we're back into it. This is a video I filmed about a year ago. I just never had an intro, outro, or any of that good stuff, but today we're fishing a brokeback Rapala in ponds, and then on accident, I had to get the kayak. You'll have to see what happens. It's about halfway through the video. Maybe a big fish, who knows? All right guys, it's gonna be a banger, stay tuned.
There he is. Fish number 2. Oh, good one, guys. Good one. Stay on there. Stay on there. Stay on there. Stay on there. Fish number 2. Little chunk. Oh, yeah. It's a good fish. Barely hooked. It's a good one. On the brokeback. Thank you. Boom! Shakalaka ding dong. These fish might have moved up shallow. There he is. Got another one. Pretty good one. Stay down. Another fish. We got 3. I think. Yeah, we might have moved up shallow in this pond already. Another one. Boom! There he is. Did he pull it? Nope. Got it. That's a good one. Here we go, guys. Good little fish. He's on the outside of that laydown.
All right, so here, guys, we switched over from one pond to another. We actually had to drive about 20 minutes, and we're fishing my granddad's pond. So I know this pond really well, fished it a long time, and we're just trying to catch more fish. Stay tuned.
Section I've fished this lake since I was born. If I had to say I know one pond like the back of my hand, I'd have to say it'd probably be this one. Great visibility today. Caught some good ones out of here. I think my best is 9 pounds. There's a big rock pile right here, and it's pretty deep. Hopefully I can get my bait back. It would be unfortunate if I lost this bait. It's the only one I got tied on today. Well guys, we're in a kayak now. Mostly because I got my lure stuck, and the only way to get it out without breaking off was with the kayak. This isn't even my kayak. I think this is my cousin's. Pretty sure, but I don't think he'll mind. It's very dirty. It's been outside for quite some time, but we're taking a new approach. There he is. Got one. Oh, missed him. He was sitting exactly where he's supposed to. It's so much harder to tell if you get a bite too. Little beds popping up and down this little creek. Cat's right here on the outside of him. See if he can't get bit. There he is. Got one. That's a good one. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see this video that well, but it's a pretty healthy fish for this pond. We just, probably about a year ago, got it shocked and took all the fish out and restarted. These fish weren't that healthy. Really wish I had a pair of pliers. But guys, that's a good healthy fish for this pond. Let's put her back. Boom. It's fish number 2 in the kayak. You've seen beds everywhere. There he is. Got one. Good one. Stay down, stay down. Oh yeah. It's a really good one. Yeah, it's a good hook set. Oh, some slack. Guys, look, they're just clobbering this bait. Another pretty little guy. Pond's full of them. Right in that drain I was talking about. It's probably one of the deeper spots in the pond, about 12 foot. There he is. Oh, I just missed him. Swiped at it really hard. He's there. Right where he's supposed to. See if I can miss. We can't do this time. There you go. Oh! Couldn't turn him. There he is. Got him that time. Little guy. Nope, lost him again. But it's okay. Might be another one in there. Oh, and there he is. Got him. That's a good one. That's a nice one right there. Choked it. Look at that, guys. Choked. Alright guys, pretty little guy. Sitting back. Alright guys, we're back here. We're fishing again. Rain is real patchy, but let's get, there he is. Or there he's not is. Dang. Thought we had a good keeper. Add to the count. My goal today is 6 pounds for this pond. There he is. Barely hooked. I lost him at the boat. Alright guys, that's why when you're kayak fishing, probably should carry a net. That's what I'm thinking. Like I said, I don't really kayak fish often. I'm very new to this whole concept. I did this just because I wanted to get my lure out from being stuck, and winded up deciding to fish for a minute and catching fish. Sitting on where the point starts, and I'm casting out to where this little inlet goes, and it goes out there for a few feet. There he is. Got one. Got a good one. Little guy. Towing the kayak. Okay. Oh no, that's decent fish. Feisty guy. You have any kayak tips for me? Please be sure to drop it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate them. Should have brought my yellow tech stick, power stick. Could have put it in the rod holder. Alright guys, we're gonna let this one go. But I should have put it in the rod stick and could have got better video. Casting in these jewels are hard too. There he is. Oh, just missed him. Ticked it off a stump in the middle. I just lost one. I'm biting it right. So this corner is exactly 14 feet, and there's stumps. A lot of stumps down there, and I'm hung up on one. But I was taking it off the stump, and I missed him. Forget this isn't a traditional style bait. Hopefully we can get it back. And here comes rain again, of course. Got it. Perks of a boat. Come up here in this little spooky area. A lot of pollen in the water. It's allergy season. Yay me. Let's slip in here real quietly. I'm gonna get one more stroke in. I want to spook the fish. Set the paddle down. Let's see if we can get us one of these monsters in here now. We just gotta find where the monsters are. What I've noticed and how I've caught 85% of all my fish, it's been on drains, and which is very interesting to me right now. I figure I see a lot of beds, but most of these fish I've caught today have come off of these deep drains.
Alright guys, that wraps up another great video. Thank y'all so much. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell below, and also please hit that like button. It really helped me out. And as always, go stick 'em, guys.